Hello everyone, my name is Siti Hawa and I am going to show you on how to use the website vocabulary.com. So you have to type in the link first and then it will bring you directly to this website. And this is the main page of the website. And there's the play section, look up section, list, sign in or sign up section. And if you click on the three bars beside the sign up button, you'll see there are 7 sections here. The for everyone section, they provided games about words or vocabularies that is fun for students because it provides students with limitless words and definitions. For educators, they have the educator edition plus pricing, context cells, and success stories. And for the leaderboards, this is suitable for people who likes challenges. There's the vocabulary bowl leaders, today's leaders, weekly leaders, and monthly leaders. And if you want to know more about the website, you can connect them on the blog, Twitter, or Facebook. Our story part is about the history of the website. Look on the X. And if you click on the get started, there is this pop-up window, and if you answer the, the question correctly, it will provide you with this definition of the word. So that is all. Thank you.
At first, what we need to do, of course, is search UpFriend on Google. And we can see this link, UpFriend Alpha Computational Intelligence. Just click in, and it is the page for UpFriend Alpha. What we can see is it actually covers a lot of areas down here, and that's why I said it is very useful for academics. First, I would like to introduce this plotting and graph fit function. I believe that we all experience a very hard time in plotting the graph. And with UFRED, it can help us to plot a very complicated graph very easily. For example, I would like to ask UFRED to help me to plot this very complicated function. It is s power 5 minus 3s power 4 plus 9s cubed plus 12s squared minus 4s and also plus 1. Click enter, and this is the graph. And we can see UFAN actually help us to find out every single points in the graph. As well, we can see by just pointing any point on the graph, and it actually helps us to find out the values on x-axis, y-axis. Back to the page, we can see is it actually covers a lot of areas, and it is very useful for us. And I believe that it can help us a lot in not in academics but also in their everyday life.
First of all, just type Google Drive here, and then go to Google Drive Cloud Storage, and then go to Google Drive. And you will see all the files and folders that you have uploaded and synchronized. If you wish to create a new file, click the New button. Here you may create a new folder, or you may upload a file or a folder from your computer. The most common applications used by university students for educational purposes are Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides, and Google Forms. For your information, Google Docs is similar to Microsoft Word, Google Sheets is similar to Microsoft Excel, Google Slides is similar to Microsoft PowerPoint. So for these three, if you wish to allow your team members to have access to edit the file, for instance, in Google Docs, you may click the blue Share button. Here, you have two ways of sharing. First is you can click the Get Shareable Link button and then choose the access level in the drop-down below. Then, click Copy Link and it's ready for you to share to the others. The second way of sharing is that you may just type the names or the email addresses of the team members into the space provided and then you're done. However, Google Form is something very different from these three applications. This is a Google Form and here are the 5 editing features which is available in Google Form. You may add questions here and you can choose the type of answers you want the respondents to give, either short answer, paragraph, multiple choice, checkboxes, or drop down. Besides, you may add titles and description, and if you wish to add image or videos, you may click here, and also it allows you to add a new section. Besides, if you wish to allow other team members to have access to edit the form, click here and go to Add Collaborators. Now, you may invite your teammates by typing their names or their email addresses here and click Send. And if you think that you are ready to spread the form, click the Share button and you can share your form through either email or you may obtain a link of the Google form and share it. So after the survey has been done, you may check on the responses. You may also view the spreadsheets of all the responses made here.
Once you open the PhotoMath application, this is the interface that you'll be seeing. There is the calculator mode and this is the camera mode. This is the page where the solutions will be given and this is the notebook where you will have your favorites and your histories. For the calculator mode, it's as easy as keying in your question, just like this, and it will instantly give you the solutions with the answers. Just click on this red box and it will just lead you to this page. If you want any further explanation, you can just click on it and it will give you the explanations as well. And there's also a graph, especially for quadratic and cubic equation. It will show you the graph and it will give you the roots, the domains, and the minimum points, and if there's a maximum point, they will give you as well as, and together with the y-intercept. So if you want to favorite this, it's very simple. You just click on this button and you can, oh sorry, this is unfavorite. So if you want to favorite it, it's the same, and you can always go to your notebook and this is where your favorites will be. The calculator mode has also a lot of functions like integration, differentiation, modulus, exponent, and trigonometry, so it covers quite a large range for students to use. For the camera mode, it's very easy to use. You can just scan and it'll give you the answer. It doesn't matter if it's far or if the questions are near or far, you just have to aim it to the box and it can already detect it.
The application which I'll be introducing is called as My Study Life. When I click on it, it will show me the dashboard consisting of 3 categories: the calendar, the assignments, and also the examination. Basically about the details of my examinations, like when is time and what is it about, and also the assignments. Like for ICT, I have to record video, the report, and it's due tomorrow. And for the dashboard here, the home page, it will show me the conclusion of the classes, tasks, and examination. Basically about the due dates of it, it will conclude in one category. And the 3 lines above here, aside from the dashboard, I signed in using my Google account to use this app, so it's free of charge. And the calendar here will show the academic schedule of my daily life. It might be a little bit compact, but when I click on it, it will zoom in and show me the date, the time, and the locations. To see a more simplified version of my academic schedule, I just click on the schedule And yes, here is a more simplified version of my classes. And also the holidays. And the exams. And also the task, which is my assignment. To add in a task, examination, or academic schedule, I just click on the plus sign here, down below here. The SAM 2 assignment due date, for instance, 19th of April. I have an assignment like HRD. I have to record a video presentations and save. Easy peasy. And the most important thing is the settings here. You have to on the reminders so that it can remind you when you have the class, the exam, and also the incomplete test. I put it as at 6 p.m. the day before the test is due, so it will automatically appear here. Right here in the notifications to remind me what task I haven't due yet. So it's a really simple app. You just have to add something and it will remind you what you haven't due yet. Thank you for watching.